Welcome to my channel. My name is Lorraine and I help people live with passion, purpose and positivity. And the topic of today's video is how to become a billionaire. Wow. I think a lot of people would say, I'd love to become a billionaire. But I think the truth is, and this is what I feel, is that it would bring a whole lot of new problems and responsibilities. So I'm not too worried myself about becoming a billionaire. But my idea of being rich is just to have enough money to lead the life that I want, to have plenty of money in the bank without having to worry about it. That's my idea of being abundant and rich. But the only way I can really think of to show you how to become a billionaire is by giving you an example. And that example is, it's about a woman called Sarah Blakely, and she's the founder of Spanx, you know, the underwear that makes you look really slim and pulls you in. She asked the universe for $1 billion idea, and she knew about the law of attraction. She knew the creative process. So the first step of the creative process is ask. And we're always asking all day, every day, in every situation. You cannot not ask. When you say, I like that, I want that, I prefer that, that would be nice, that's asking. But she was specific about what she was asking for. She was asking for $1 billion idea. And she then left herself open for ideas to come. The ideas that come would be from universal intelligence, and they would be inspired ideas. And she knew that when that idea come, that it wasn't from her own mind, it was from universal source energy, the abundant universal source energy that's always around us. So what she did was, when she got the idea, she started acting on it immediately. And she started creating the circumstances, events and people that were coming into her life to give her the $1 billion idea and the product. And every step along the way, she acted on it. So she believed that she could become a billionaire, and she followed them inspired ideas. So ask, believe, receive. That's a creative process, which I've talked about before. So she believed that she could become a billionaire, and she acted on those impulses, that intuition, and she didn't doubt. She knew that what she was receiving was from universal intelligence. And then the third process was receive. You've got to receive that idea. You've got to be open. You've got to be allowing. You've not got to worry or doubt that them ideas, that inspired action is not from universal intelligence. You've got to know and let it go. Let it go. Do the inspired action, and your desire will come to fruition. And that process applies to everything. It applies to everything in the manifesting world, to the law of attraction. Ask, believe, receive. But when you start doubting, when you start worrying, that's when it doesn't come. My best friend, she always says, I'm rich in my heart. And she never, ever has any money problems because she feels abundant every single day. She wakes up feeling grateful like I do. I'm grateful for the roof over my head, for having a bed to sleep in, for clean drinking water. And that's abundance. That's abundance, and that's being rich. And you can even have a billionaire who worries every day that he's going to lose it. Apparently, Oprah Winfrey worries all the time that she's going to lose her billions. That's not an abundant life, is it? And counting the money all the time and spending every hour at work. That's not an abundant, rich life, is it? But I get it that people want to be a millionaire or a billionaire, even to sample it even, just to say, I was a billionaire or a millionaire once, because there's a lot you can do with money. You can have a charity, you can be generous with money, you can give to people. It just when you have a lot of money, you become a bigger version of who you are, and there's nothing wrong with that. And you can buy all the gadgets and the houses and the cars. So there's nothing wrong with that. And I've just shown you the process to get to being a billionaire. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please press the like button, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. I'm going to put a link in the description below. The Camino de Santiago, my 500-mile pilgrim walk across northern Spain. Hope you'll enjoy it. It's about miracles and lessons that I learned a lot on that path. And they're lessons and miracles that could happen in your life too. Have a wonderful day, everybody. Blessings, much love, and namaste.